a Dare PiinkSparkles video. I haven't done one of these for years. I used to do these. If you guys want more of these and if you guys enjoy these, you guys can subscribe and please hit the bell to be notified of my videos because you don't get to see them. Apparently a lot of people don't see my videos if they just subscribe. Subscribing just isn't enough anymore. You have to hit the bell. So I would very much appreciate if you hit the bell or you can fall down a well. Let's get started. I haven't looked. I posted for you guys to let me know things about 2 hours ago. So this is what it looks like for you guys to let me know before as I was getting ready. Let's see what the dares are for me to do. Okay, I'm nervous. Let's go. Ah! Rude? I can. I already had McDonald's this morning. Post the oldest selfie on this phone on your Instagram story. The oldest selfie on my phone. Okay. I don't even know what it is. What the? That's embarrassing. It doesn't matter what it is. We'll just go to my photos. Top of my photos. So the very top of my photos is, that's not a selfie. This is, wait, sorry. This is a picture of a tattoo that I was trying to get, which is not a selfie. This is the selfie. Okay, that's not that embarrassing. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, that means I gotta go all the way back. My phone breaking. I'm just gonna not caption it and post. This is fun. Go outside your house and scream, "Hi, neighbors." That is so embarrassing for me. And I know they're outside. Ah! Oh my god, there's somebody right there. Just hold on. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. Hi, neighbor. Oh my god, there's construction. Hi, neighbors. Oh my god, construction guys right there. I'm running, they're all looking right. Take a bite of cat food. I love you. Obviously don't love me, but okay, let's go. Yay! Yeah, look at her. She's like me, I'm like, yeah, me too. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. People will say it's fake. Okay, but if I think it's gross, then it's gonna be gross. So, it just says take a bite. It means I don't have to eat it all. I have the rest. It tastes like old salmon after. Okay, this is not as fast as I thought. Honestly, I thought I would be like dying. Flash someone while stopped at a red light. Wait, there's ways around this. Okay, something's gonna happen. Okay.
Something's gonna happen.
Hurry, look. Hurry, look. Hurry, look.
Oh my god. Okay, I can't.
Take a shower with your clothes on. Okay, I'm just gonna have to edit this one in because I have stuff to do today, so here you go. I took off my lashes, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god, this feels wrong. Cool. Cool. Yeah, that's just great. This seems like an OF video now. Okay, no more. Bye, YouTube. Oh my god. That was the worst one. I hope that was enjoyable for you. Ask someone random for a condom. I cannot. I can't do it. I've been driving around and pulled over. I can't do it. And there's so many kids around. Like, everyone's like with kids. I don't want to do it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I can't do it. I'm not doing it. Ah! Shotgun a twisted tea, okay? Well, I'm at the liquor store. Okay, I got the twisted tea. Oh my god, it's freezing. Okay, I don't really know how to do this. So let me just open it a little bit. Oh my god, I actually opened it. Okay, ready? Okay, because I can't redo this. Ready? Time. Oh my god. I did it. Show your last text to Austin. Okay. He says, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I was so sleepy when I left this morning. Still feel so tired. And I said, that's okay. I miss you so much. And I didn't reply. Why am I like that? So mean. I dare you to text an ex-boyfriend other than last year. No, because I only text him if it needs to be texted. Like, I'm not just gonna text, you know, I'm just gonna like reach out, like, not for like, there's nothing wrong. There's no like bad reasoning. It's just like, I'm not just gonna text them, you know? Dear Sylvia's boyfriend, Alan, stop playing with your dick or I'll castrate you. Love, PiinkSparkles. Put Sophie's tail in your mouth. Toffee! Attempt a handstand. Not this outfit, be right back. Okay, different outfit. Ow, ow. Ow. Okay, I can. Okay, no, it's not happening. Okay, we're back. I dare you to lick a cat. What are you guys' obsession with? Come on, Toby. Toby. Oh, you're such a good girl. Good girl. She likes it. Give the camera a lap dance. Link in my Instagram bio. Talk in an accent. Good day, mate. Let's put another shrimp on the barbie. Let's not. That's like from Dumb and Dumber. That's like a quote from a movie, but that's like that. Anyway, make a rap song about what? About haters? All you haters really do go too far. In a plane, in a bus, or even in a car. You act like you really are stuck in tar. Get your shit up because I am a star. That's so me freestyling. Take a shot of tequila. I don't have any tequila. I wish I would if I had tequila. Lick a bar of soap. This one smells good. It smells like dirty balls. These are just getting too far. I feel like these are getting way too far. Let me just like scroll. There's so many, and then whatever I stop on. I dare you to dye your hair black? No. Me saying no to that. I was thinking about dyeing my hair black or brown for so long, but maybe in the future, but I love the blonde hair, so no. I dare you to put your hand in the toilet. Oh. It's so cold! Ow! It's so cold! It's so cold! Okay, that wasn't as bad because I cleaned the toilets. My toilets are clean, so that's still gross. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do one more. Whatever it lands on, I'm very, very scared. Boom. Lick peanut butter off of Austin's foot. Lick peanut butter off Austin's foot. He's actually here right now, so let me go do that. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm doing this. Let's go. Hello.
Hi.
I have to do something to you.
What?
Just lay back and relax and enjoy the ride.
Enjoy? Oh my god. Is that peanut butter? Oh, no. Are you serious? Oh, Samantha.
What? It's not my fault.
I can't. I got ticklish feet. Oh my god.
You got it on my face. Your feet stink.
What? I just washed them. I can't.
Well, bye.
You can't just leave the rest on there. You gotta finish it.
Okay, guys, I think that is enough. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It gave you guys a good laugh. If you guys want more of these, give this a thumbs up. And remember, if you are subscribed to me, it doesn't matter. You have to turn on the notifications to be notified of the video that I post. And I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.